Hey, how's it going? So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to create value posts on your Facebook. So I'm on my Facebook right now, my personal page right here. All right, guys, and I'm going to explain to you what I mean by value post in terms of how to brand yourself more on your Facebook. This is very important. I understand this is about affiliate marketing, but this is very important to get more people to sign up under your affiliate link. So for example, right here, I made like a nice quote. It says here, make every day count and utilize all resources to make your business better each day. So this personal quote, I made this up myself. I feel like it's a good motivational quote. And I got here 66 likes and a couple comments. So it's pretty good engagement, for example. So what I recommend in terms of, if you're starting out your Facebook from scratch, or if you already have a Facebook, I recommend writing down positive posts each day. You have to be very consistent in your post. So that's why I got a lot of engagement on this one. This one right here, I put every day is a hustle as an entrepreneur. That is very true. It's a hustle as an entrepreneur. You have to keep learning more strategies, figure out more ways to create engagement to your Facebook, how to get more income streams, to build up your income streams and make more money, for example. So this is a quote I just thought of myself. And I got a lot of engagement. I got over 108 likes, 6 shares, and a couple comments. So what I recommend is just keep putting down a lot of posts consistently. This was a good one too. Providing free value should be your main focus to have your followers trust your brand. This is very key. I would recommend you write this in your notes to guys. This is why I'm very consistent. I always provide free value to my fellow followers on my Facebook. I basically help them out and motivate them to, for their business entrepreneurship. I know it's very tough. You need to be very consistent. You need to find different income streams to start making money, but this is very important for Facebook. I made a lot of income using Facebook because I create a lot of engagement, and then I target my likes here. So for example, here's a couple of likes here. These are real people here. And we're going to talk about the next module about how to build conversation, but let's focus on more of what kind of posts you put. So I would recommend put some motivation posts. You can search on Google different motivation posts about your business, entrepreneurship, and then just copy and paste them here and put it as a post and see how much engagement, see how much people will like basically the post. This one right here is a funny one here. This is more of like a viral post, more like a game in a sense, like a riddle. So I post this. This is another secret, guys, so you can take this too. So I wrote here, let's see who can answer this simple riddle. It took me a while to come with an answer. We don't get access to my free system that's building me multiple streams of income. Ready, set, go. So something like this brings a sense of curiosity. You're wondering, number one is, what is the answer to this riddle first? And number two is, what is this free system that's helping, for example, Richard, me, building multiple streams of income? So you will want your best to figure out this answer first. And then right here, which I have so many comments right here, people just trying to give me answers, like 11, 16. I know the answer already, so because I did my research, I looked it up. So the secret too is when you have your affiliate program and then you have your own affiliate link, for example, once you make posts like this and you can basically message each person that comment on the post and say like, hey guys, thank you for example, putting an answer for the post. Here is the link to the free system, for example, if you're trying to promote a free system, which I have a couple of free systems, will be in the modules below. And that's how I got so many leads. That's how I got so many sales. People sign up to my free system and they're upgrading, and I'm getting commissions as well. So if you're interested, that's one certain thing, post I like to do as well. Another value post is doing kind of like live videos in a sense. Let me see if I can find a live video here somewhere. There's a lot of, yeah. So for example, right here, this one example right here, I'm doing like a big giveaway. So this one was who wants free one-on-one coaching by me, picking one winner to share my secrets in creating leads, conversions, and funnels, and much more. Share this video, like this video, and message me why I should pick you in the comment section. So having a lot of likes is super important, especially for your Facebook, to create more engagement so you can target those likes. Shares is basically if people share that video, it'll be on their Facebook profile so people can see what they're sharing. They basically see my live video here, and then creating more comments right here and the different people interested is that you can target them as well. You can talk to them through the messenger right here. You can talk to them and then explain to them, okay, you are the winner of the giveaway. If you want to do a giveaway in the example, or like a contest as well. I recommend that having contests and giveaways is one of the best ways to get a lot of people engaged because they want to win that certain prize. It could be like an ebook, if you're offering an ebook, if you're offering a cheat sheet, if you're offering like a free system or free training, for example. So those are a couple things what I recommend in terms of having like more value to your posts. This is another motivation. You guys can take this if you want. You must always remember why you started becoming an entrepreneur. Something like this I would 100% agree on. Understand where you came from. Why did you start being an entrepreneur? Did you want to have more income streams for your for your bank account? Do you want to live the laptop lifestyle? Do you want to go on vacation more? Do you want to have a better car? Do you want to have a better house? Why did you start? Do you want to start changing your life? You want to change your generation, help your parents. So one of my goals right now is to create these streams of income, also to help my parents as well when they get older as well. So that's my personal goal. Everyone has a different goal. So this is what I recommend. Make motivation posts, do giveaways and contests. You can do some live video as well, which I just showed before. I think here's another live video as me. The importance of having a mentor in your life and business. So doing live videos is crucial as well. So write that down. Motivation posts, maybe giveaways and contests, like once you have more friends on your Facebook, and doing Facebook live videos to explain more about your brand, more about your story, and how to live your life to the fullest as well. So I hope you guys had some good value from this video today, how to create certain posts. That's what I'm doing consistently. Right here is my most recent one right here, 7 steps to the online success. So you guys would check out my Facebook as well if you want to. Add me as a friend if you haven't yet, and you can see what kind of posts I'm putting consistently to gain more of my brand, to engage more followers. And basically at the end of the day is I can sometimes put a post something like this, how to give them like free strategies, for example, and then give people strategies, or I can promote my affiliate program, which is the main goal for this course, and then give them the affiliate link when I send them a message, for example, or there's messages. So that's a good way to be consistent on your Facebook and to create your brand and then promote your affiliate link and get income as well. All right guys, so I'll see you guys on the next video.